Son, real strength comes from the heart.
I will be strong like you, Father.
Son, true strength shines even in darkness.
I will always stay by your side, Father.
You think this little glow stick is gonna stop me? All right!
Focus it!
Shh, I'm here. Don't cry, little one. I will help you grow. I want to be strong. I will. Just I'll be here to guide you.
Now it's your time. Show
I will finish this for my father, for everyone!
Chaos looks beautiful!
Time to stop this madness!
Defeat chaos! Strength shines in kill! Fish?
No fish!
River, thanks. Hilsa, you're mine.
My son, you did it! Look at this giant!
Yes! Biggest cat!
Son, enough games. The mosque awaits.
Yes, father.
If someone gives me jalebi at the mosque today, I'll eat it.
Habibullah! Will I get some jalebi today?
Yes, jalebi for everyone!
Woo! How what jalebi right now? I will protect you! Take this home!
You must understand what is at stake for our family. Do you realize how important it is? Think about it.
అడక్కరంట పడుతుగా ఇంటి ముడుతు పెహే ముడుతు పరకండ
दोस्तों, आज मैं लाचार हूं। सब लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं। अगर तुम मुझे प्यार करते हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो।
दोस्तों, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Son, once we all mocked you, but today you saved our entire village.